Hi guys, welcome to week 4. You notice this is not my office, this is my house. UNT has been closed since Tuesday. It seems like a century ago. Yeah, snow and ice. So outside we have about 5-6 inches of snow on top of 2 inches of ice. So yeah, life in Denton, not so happy. Getting paper, what this has meant for you guys is getting papers back to you, unfortunately, is going to be a little bit slower over the next week and a half, okay? Because I'm going to be a little backlogged when I get back, and my kids have been out of daycare since Tuesday. So yeah, it's starting to be a little bit like The Shining around here when you're sort of snowbound in this house. No, luckily everybody is still alive. So let's see, I just wanted to give you guys an introduction to this coming week and also sort of a review of last week, summarizing the Sasson reading. I was a little bit worried that you guys wouldn't get it because I admit it's a really processual-oriented, abstract, and even a little mechanical, talking about the mechanics of the process, Marxist kind of article. But it looks like you guys got it, so good job. So if you remember last week, we focused on the legitimacy, quote-unquote legitimacy of U.S. policies, trying to separate out political from economic motivations. Again, as if you can, right? Like talking about, hopefully you guys got from week 2, hopefully you guys got the difficulties, right, of trying to do that, and the problems with trying to do that. But with the Sasson chapter, it's really focusing on, still on the host countries, but how they actually come to depend on these economic migrations, particularly undocumented kinds of ones. So Kelly, Myra, and Carrie, good job. You guys are not the only ones who feel conflicted about parts of globalization. I mean, yay, shrinking distances, globalization. It allows a couple of you guys to be in this class, right? And sometimes this does change women's status for the better, particularly giving them sort of equal footing and more control and autonomy within the household. And in a few cases, governments do get involved in pressing for more human rights. But these are the exceptions, right, rather than the rules. The reality is that this process tends to be a lot more exploitative. At least those are the examples that Sasson brings up. So yeah, I mean, you also have Corinne's example where governments get involved in organizing people, I think from the Philippines, well, and other places too, organizing people for exploitation and to ensure low wages. Brendan and Suzanne, good job for bringing in Haiti as an example. Nicole and Lindsay, good job for bringing in the media, both good and bad. Yeah, that's it. You guys, your all's comments are always best when you incorporate the readings, all right? That's really what those discussion postings are designed to do, okay? So let's see, this coming week, week 4, Alicia goes back to motivations, particularly more of the structure or structural kinds of motivations that influence people to migrate, as well as the structure of the receiving country and the problems that are inherent in the receiving country. So she had this film, this fantastic film, which I really hope you guys can see at some point in time. It's called A Well-Founded Fear, and what it does, it really walks you through the U.S. Asylum system. So it really follows asylum agents, or INS agents, at asylum desks trying to interview people. And it shows you the difficulties here. So it's called A Well-Founded Fear because that's one of the reasons that allows for justified migration. Yeah, problem is UNT has not been able to receive permission to show it in an online class yet. Sorry guys, I've been trying for 6 weeks now. I did find it online, so it's on YouTube, chopped into little 10-minute clips that are all really poor quality and pixely. Sorry, hopefully your eyes will not get ruined, but looks like that's what we're going to have to do for this week. So I did save you, instead of watching the whole thing, which is about an hour and a half, I think it's 12 parts, I'll just have you guys watch the first 5 parts, okay? So hopefully your eyes won't be ruined by then. I guess that's it. Hope you guys have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions at all, okay? And again, good job with the Sasson reading. All right,